Welcome back to my channel. Techno Trend Zone. The atmosphere in the realm of full-frame mirrorless is absolutely electric. Whispers and hype are circulating about Sony's upcoming powerhouse, the Sony A7V. Positioned as the successor to the highly acclaimed A7 IV, this next-gen model is stirring enthusiasm with expectations of leaps in sensor performance, AI-driven autofocus, cinematic video capabilities, and hybrid shooting flexibility for both creators and pros. Although Sony hasn't confirmed anything officially yet, many insiders anticipate the A7V landing on shelves somewhere between late 2025 and early 2026, making it a machine built for future filmmakers and photographers alike. Sensor evolution, more pixels, smarter capture. Most rumors peg the forthcoming Sony A7V with a cutting-edge 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, which is anticipated to deliver a compelling balance between resolution and file size, ideal for high-res stills, commercial work, and large-format printing. This speculation is bolstered by sources suggesting that Sony has indeed registered a body that aligns with this spec, hinting strongly at its veracity. This rumored spec aligns with reports previewing a 44MP sensor supporting 4K 120fps video with no crop, which would mark a major leap for hybrid shooters. Furthermore, Sony Alpha Rumors suggests this sensor will power 20 frames per second continuous stills, dramatically outpacing the A7 IV's performance, an exciting prospect for action, wildlife, and sports photography. Smarter autofocus and AI enhancements. Sony is reportedly amplifying its AI autofocus capabilities even further with the A7V, likely borrowing from the acclaimed system debuted in the A7R5. As one Redditor put it, the A7V will almost certainly have the AI autofocus system from the A7R5. This suggests Sony's AI-based real-time tracking will become even more refined, estimating faster, more accurate detection across humans, animals, and moving subjects, especially under challenging lighting conditions or cluttered scenes. Next-level EVF, body design and durability. Expect Sony to elevate the user experience with a higher-resolution electronic viewfinder, possibly around 5 megapixels. A significant boost over the current 3.8MP EVF in the A7 IV. Meanwhile, rumors also indicate that the A7 may 5th adopt the rugged, professional-grade A1-2 body and tilting/flippy screen, combining durability with ergonomic comfort and usability. Video capabilities, cinema-grade power for creators seeking cinematic versatility. The A7V is rumored to break new ground. Early leaks propose it will support 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with no crop, an exceptional upgrade for slow-motion sequences and action footage, especially welcome in the hybrid video sphere paired with AI enhancements and advanced processing. This could make the A7V a serious contender for filmmakers who want serious power without stepping into flagship pricing, speed and storage. Keeping up with creativity. Sony Alpha Rumors teases a possible 20 frames per second burst rate, addressing the need for speed in fast-action shooting scenarios. For media storage, dual card slots, CF Express Type A and SD, are expected, offering both ultra-fast writing speeds and dependable backup flexibility. Pricing and launch window. Industry chatter places the A7V street price around €3,000, slightly above the A7 IV's original launch price, but still far below Sony's top-tier models. As for timing, leaks hint at a release sometime in Q1 2025, though delays pushing to late 2025 or early 2026 remain plausible based on supply chain factors. Community voices, Redditors weigh in. Camera enthusiasts contribute thoughtful speculation and practical insights. On r/Sony Alpha, one user remarks, the A7V will almost certainly have the AI autofocus system from the A7R5. Such voices reinforce confidence not just in raw specs, but in Sony's strategic move towards smarter autofocus. Should you wait, or upgrade now? Here's the reality: if you're eager to upgrade your gear, the A7V promises to be a powerhouse when it eventually drops. But waiting nearly a year may not make sense for creative professionals or serious enthusiasts who need reliable gear today. The A7C2, A7 IV, or even an A7CR represent excellent alternatives, especially when paired with high-quality lenses. Lenses retain value long-term and often deliver more visible impact on image quality than incremental sensor upgrades. Plus, active shooting builds skill and familiarity far better than spec chasing. Final take: the Sony A7V emerges as a smarter, faster, and more versatile evolution in Sony's full-frame lineup, packed with AI smarts, stellar video chops, and professional ergonomics. But even as we anticipate its arrival, the current mirrorless options offer robust performance and unmatched creative opportunity, so don't let "something better someday" stop you from shooting today. Want to be ready for the A7V? Combine that slow-motion superpower, future-ready AI focus, and pro-body ergonomics with your creative foresight, and you're primed to go.